This 2022 Keystone Avalanche 338GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Keystone is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Easton interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, external shower, DVD player, air conditioning, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, smoke detector, slideout, water heater, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Avalanche 338GK is 12,780 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Avalanche 338GK. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.